Establishment of chairs named after the eminent women in universities initiative to motivate young girls and women towards higher studies. On the occasion of National Girl Child Day, the Ministry of Women and Child Development is going to set up 10 chairs in different fields with an aim to carry out research activities to encourage the women. The initiative called Establishment of Chairs in the Universities in the name of the eminent women administrators, artists, scientists, and social reformers is being launched with the assistance of the University Grants Commission. The main objective is to inspire women to pursue higher education and to achieve the excellence in their area of work. This initiative of highlighting and celebrating the women achievers of the country will motivate young girls and women towards higher studies. The chairs proposed by the UGC and approved by the ministry are as under. See, in administration, Devi Alia Holkar, this is a freedom fighter. In the field of administration, in the field of literature, freedom fighter, Northeast, medicine and health, performing arts, forest and wildlife conservation, mathematics, science, poetry and mysticism, educational reforms, and so on. The financial implications of the proposal is rupees 50 lakhs per chair per year, and the total expenditure for establishing the 10 chairs will be approximately 5 crore per annum. The chairs are to be established for a period of 5 years initially as per the guidelines. Academic functions of the chairs will be to engage in research and in turn contribute to the advancement of the knowledge in the area of the study, strengthen the role of the university or academics in public policy making, and to design and execute short-term capacity building programs for teachers in higher education focused towards the designated discipline of the chair. The other academic functions will be to provide a forum for university and intercollegiate postgraduate and research level dialogues and discussion meetings, seminars, and summer and winter schools, publish articles, research papers, reports, books, monograms, and participate in teaching and PhD programs of the department or school in which it is located. The university will review the progress of the chair annually and submit a final report on the activities and outcome of the chair to the UGC after 5 years. However, the UGC may undertake the exercise of reviewing the chair for its continuous at any stage.